I will be a responsive Attorney General and a lawyer of people. And I hope the Office of the Attorney General will work with all the peoples of Kenya in realizing our aspirations under the Constitution. When it comes to contracts, which are eschewed, Honorable Speaker, sir, I don't have any information on this, but if confirmed, I would make sure that we come up with some SOPs, standard operating procedures. We set standards, and we make sure that the Attorney General is actually represented and reliably represented in the contracts from the beginning to the end. Because unless you look at the quality of the contract and you mitigate any loss or any risk, it is very difficult to succeed in the end. So there is a need for an Attorney General to be represented from the beginning, to look at the clauses to make sure that they're responsive to what we need and that they protect us. At the same time, should we feel that some of the clauses will be injurious to us, we could review. That calls for expertise and very professional state counsel. The third question was on constitutional review. Mr. Speaker, sir, and members, the Constitution is a live document. And within the Constitution itself, there are provisions for review, which means that there is room to review and amend the Constitution. However, the rule of law requires that all laws of Kenya are made by the participation or with the participation of the people. They must be clear, they must be available, and they must be able to be legislated. For that reason, it is only the people of Kenya who can say what they want to change in a constitution, because they have to be part and parcel of the law. The Office of the Attorney General can just be facilitative. Having had our constitution for the last 15 years, I would agree with those who are saying we are now ripe to relook at the Constitution to see what is working or not working. And this was provided for in the Constitution and under the rule of law attributes. A law that is not working should be reviewed, should be amended so that it is responsive, so that it can speak to the times that we live in. So I will facilitate such. Yes.